Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by saving all active designs to the cloud and exporting important local copies. Confirm you have stable internet and at least 20 minutes free for the update. Close Fusion 360 completely to prevent file conflicts during installation. Sign into your Autodesk account to ensure your license is active and linked. Open Help then about Fusion 360 to note your current version before you start the update process. Open the Autodesk desktop app or sign into the Autodesk account to access updates. Locate Fusion 360 in the list and click Update to download the installer. Allow the installer to run and do not interrupt the download or installation steps. The update will patch application files and may download dependent libraries automatically. When the installer finishes, restart Fusion 360 to finalize the update and apply the new version settings. Reopen Fusion 360 and confirm the new version number under Help then About. Open a typical project to verify tools, add-ins, and toolpath generation work as expected. If you encounter problems, clear the application cache and try launching again before more drastic steps. For persistent issues, run the Autodesk uninstaller and perform a clean reinstall of Fusion 360. Contact Autodesk support with your account email and error messages if the problem continues after reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.